And a broken away for a single. Fights for 24. Number 24 passes to number 8. Rises to 24. Takes Vegas to shoot for 3. Hey! Number 24 with the ball. Number 24. 5 to 1. Number 8 fights for 2. Hey! 40 points. Number 2 with the ball. Number 2 plays it as a lead. There's some substitution. 5 to the lead. 5 to 2. Number 24 with the ball. Passes to Zumi. For 3. Push up for the lead. And here are the tiebreakers of the foul. To control the line, taking time. And all of a sudden, beating the situation. Passes to the second last US possession. Last 18 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Number 20, finds the lead. Number 7.